Okay guys, welcome to your gallery. As we create this one together, click on capcut, new project. Make sure the photo you want to use here is ready. Then you click on photos. Make sure you have the photo down. Click on photos, locate the photo, import it. All right, then click it and resize it the way you want it to be. Then you click it and drag it to the duration of your video. You are the one that know your duration. After that, you come back. You want to click anywhere now and click on overlay, add overlay. Then you import the second video, the second photo. Import the second photo, resize it as well. Then you drag it to be equal with the first one, make it align. Then after that, you are going to be coming back for the third time. You mark anywhere, add overlay now. Then you import the third photo. You still resize it to be equal. You drag it to align with the other two you have imported down. Then after that, now we are going to be dividing the video into four parts. We are going to divide it into 4 parts. So you come back now, then you adjust this video to a certain point. You are going to clean them one by one to make a split. Split the 3 of them. After that, you adjust again. You get to a point again. We are going to be splitting the 3 for the second time. Then you locate the third place. Then you split it like we have done the third time. After that, look at it. So we come back now. We are going to be going straight into the magic. All right, so you want to click on this one now and go and locate mask. That is what we are going to use to do this magic. Locate mask. Okay, click on mask. Click on horizontal. You want to play with this feather icon here. You drag it down. After that, you are going to be adding keyframe. Then you adjust the video. Then you start moving the line to your preferably position. Review it the way you want to review your own. You can see how I am doing mine. After revealing this first one, you are going to adjust. After revealing here, you adjust the video again and still repeat the same exercise again. Move the line to any position you want it to be. All right, look at it. I've moved my video now. Then I am going to be marking on this grid to go back. Then I click on the second layer, the second video, because I want to review the third video. I add keyframe now. I locate mask again. Locate mask. Click on mask now. Still click on horizontal like we did before. Then look at the third video. You have revealed it. You adjust the video again and start moving the line the way you want it to be. Look at what I am going to be doing. I play with the feather because I wanted the feather to be a little bit faded. Then I will start moving it the way I want it to be. All right. This is what you are going to keep doing. Any style you want to do, then you come down and make that style. Look at what I am doing here. You can decide to work on the third layer. You can decide to work with the first layer. You can decide to work with the second layer. But remember, if you are working with the first layer, then the video, that part will be black. All right. Look at what I am doing. You add your key, you move the video. I have come down now to the third layer. I still want to review the third image. That is why I come down to the third layer and add my key again. Then I start adjusting it. After then, let's play this one and see what we have got. Look at it. Do you see the movement of the video? Fantastic. Look at it now. Look at it now. Look at it now. Then we come to the second part. All right, I can decide to click this one and adjust it. All right, click on this third layer. I can decide to click it and adjust it so that I will see these other 2 layers clearly. I work on them. I can crop this one, adjust them so that I will review these 2 images. All right. Then after revealing them now, making them look good, I will go and look for mask. All right, I will locate mask. Then I will click on mask now, click on rectangle. Then I will resize it. After resizing it, we are going to be playing with the feather icon again. You play with the feather icon. After doing all this one now, you mark on the good and go back. Still drag this one and bring it back. All right, as you bring it back now, the next thing we are going to be doing now is to add keyframe. We are going to be adding keyframe to it. Add keyframe to it, then you locate mask. So add keyframe to it, go and look for mask. You click on mask now. You want to be clicking on rectangle, then you resize it. We'll play with the feather icon again before then you adjust the video. You start moving your video again. That is what we keep doing until you get to the last part or portion of this video. But as it stands now, I don't want this video to be too long, okay? So we are going to be fast forwarding the whole thing. But at this point, I know and I am convinced that you have understood what we meant, all right? So you can see me now adding my key, moving my video, all right? Can come down and do your own so that your own will look more professional. All right, so we are going to be making the video to be fast now because we don't want the video to be too long. So you can see what we are doing. Just come down, do your own. So when you get to this part, this is the last part, you can now come down and do the other things you want. Look at how I did my own, okay? I first of all, I review the first video, review the second video, then come to the third one and start adding my frame and all that. All right, you come to the last one, you do the same thing. Look at what I am doing. So that is how you are going to do your own. Look at what I am doing here. I changed my pattern here. I just reviewed them. Then you add your key as you are adjusting. You are moving the whole thing. I used heart here and I used circle. So at this point now, I'm going to be adjusting to review the face of this one. Then at the end, I mark good. Then I will drag it down. Okay. After this point now, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to play this video from the beginning to see what we have got. Look at the movement of the video now. This is nice. Is this not good? It's nice. Don't forget to add your sound effect and every other effect. After adding them, you can now export this your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles. All right. Look at it. We are still watching the video, but at this point now, you want to be clicking on export to export this video to your gallery. So click on export now, then you export this video to your gallery. Look at it now, the video is exporting. Just exercise patient as the video export completely. Just exercise patient. All right, now this video has been stored in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video, and if you have any magic effect, CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. All right, you love our video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. If today is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing videos. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.